Hi, my name is Drew Perkins, and I'm the President and Director of Thought Stretchers Education. And in this video, I'd like to talk you through a graphic image that we use in our Foundations of PBL workshop and goes with a blog piece that is titled Using Project-Based Learning to Flip Bloom's Taxonomy for Deeper Learning. Most teachers are familiar with Bloom's taxonomy, and especially this visual and the pyramid that goes with it. In the most traditional instruction, most teachers will just loiter at the understand and remember. The worst versions of that would be sort of drill and kill, where they're just transmitting the information, assessing, and then moving on, and not getting to any real deeper learning or critical thinking. In project based learning, the teacher starts with the understand and remember as they plan and think about what they want students to learn, understand, and remember. And that would be consistent with your content knowledge and academic standards. But when the students enter the project based learning experience, we want them to start at the top. We want to use a driving question that has some version of that word create. So, how can we create? How can we design, assemble, construct, conjecture, whatever that verb is? And we want to have clarity on product, purpose, and audience. And then the next step would be to identify what we need to know. That's the need to know list. And that would be what we want students to understand and remember. That would be consistent with and should include, but not be limited to, the academic content standards, that knowledge that we want students to really acquire and think and learn about. And then through the process of the project, we want them to apply, analyze, and evaluate and do that critical thinking to create ways in which they make different kinds of connections to get from surface to deep to transfer. And that is the process of project based learning sort of embodied. We want them to know and learn and understand and remember certain pieces of knowledge and academic content, but also that's necessary but not sufficient. So we want to make sure that they're getting to the critical thinking and doing something with it, all in service of creating something, creating a product for an audience, and that product should ostensibly serve a purpose for that audience. If you'd like to learn more about our project-based learning work, feel free to go to wegrowteachers.com, and there you'll find our PBL workshops in the menu up at the top. And you can always reach out to me at drew@thoughtstretchers.org. I hope this was helpful.